Hello guys, happy Sunday. And today I'm sharing my insight of a podcast I've just listened from Tony Robbins, where he interviews Dr. Cheryl Fraser. She's like a psychologist, love, relationship kind of doctor. And her podcast really blew my mind. There were some insights I really want you to listen if you're into this topic as well, because I think you are. And I learned a lot of stuff, small pieces. So the basic thing is that love, of course, does not happen by coincidence and needs work. And for a relationship to last, it needs to have 3 main key areas. Those are: number 1, intimacy; number 2, thrill; number 3, sensuality. And all those areas need to be in more or less in a similar how do you say that, direction. Or you cannot have 100% thrill and let's say 10% intimacy. So it needs to be balanced. And where most relationships fail, of course, is lack of thrill and what was the other one? I forgot already. Sensuality. So most relationships work with intimacy, like you keep the relationship working more or less as a friendship or as a business, or that kind, and it loses actually the thrill and the sensuality. And that's why also a lot of affairs happen, because people search for more thrill because they miss it in their current relationship and try to fill out that gap. Which brings me to the conclusion that, of course, it's just a matter of where you put your focus and attention to. But I suggest you listen to this podcast. As, of course, you know, I'm a big Tony Robbins fan, and I love his podcast because he brings such a variety of great people from different areas of life and business to his podcast, and you learn a ton. So that's my take or my summary of it, and I used already 3 minutes now. I wanted to make it short, just for 1 minute, because in the short lies the key. And try to bring the message across in a very short period of time. That is the biggest challenge. Happy Sunday, folks. Bye bye.